Assalamualaikum, welcome to my new video. Today I am going to show you how you can publish your Sketchware SWB file in Quick App Store. For that, first you have to open your browser. Then you have to search Quick App Store. Then you will find our website. You have to open it. Then you will find developer login in the sidebar. You have to click here. Then you have to log in into your account. I am logging in. This is my account for publishing Sketchware SWB. In the sidebar you will find Sketchware SWB. Here you have to click. Then you will find add new SWB option. You have to click here. Then you have to enter your SWB name. Like I want to publish VPN UI. Then you have to select your SWB type. Selecting UI design. Then you have to select your SWB file. I am selecting my SWB file. Then you have to write something about your SWB file. I am writing. Then you have to select if it's free or paid. I am selecting free. You can select paid. If you want to make it paid, you can add a price here. I am selecting free. Then you have to click on submit. It will take some time. You can see SWB added successfully. You have to click on OK. Then you have to open Sketchware SWB again. Then you will find draft SWB. You have to click here. Then you will find your SWB which you have published. Then you will find a complete button. You have to click here. Then you will find the option for uploading logo. You have to upload your logo. I am uploading it. Then you have to click on submit. The next step is uploading screenshot. You have to click on screenshots. Then you have to give a title. This order is the serial number of your screenshot. This is my first screenshot, so I am giving serial number 1. Then you have to click on add screenshot. In the same way, you have to upload minimum 3 screenshots. I am uploading all of my screenshots. You can see I have uploaded 5 screenshots. Now you have to open Sketchware SWB and you have to click on draft SWB again. Here you will find a publish option. You have to click on this button. I am clicking here. Here you can see my SWB has been successfully published. Now I have to open our store. Then if I click on Sketchware SWB, then you can see my SWB has been published. From where users can download it or they can give a like. You can see I can download this SWB easily. And users can see the screenshots. In this way, you can publish your SWB in Quick App Store. Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to buy web hosting, you can visit our website, which is hostkorun.com. You can purchase web hosting and domains in cheap rate from here.